Hey, how you doing? This is Fred. Just got back from working today in the hospital. Things are getting better. People are less cases, but still, there are people who are very sick and having significant problems. So we're not totally out of the woods, but once again, I have to say you don't know what you don't know. And I want to seriously encourage you that prevention is really the key. You don't want to wind up in the hospital. So make sure that before you even get sick, you do what you can to prevent getting sick in the first place. Because, like I said, you don't know what you don't know. And once you do get sick, if you wind up in the hospital, you know, there are so many things so many variables that can occur that can change the whole course and trajectory of your life. So one of the best ways that I know of in prevention is really focusing on the main key point in health. And there's no health without healthy breathing. That's for sure. If you knew, and like I said, you don't know what you don't know, but when you find out, which through the course, you can get some insight, you'll become to understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. Wish you all the best. Bye for now.